Dear learner, graduation in science provides you a strong foundation and in-depth knowledge in scientific fields like physics, chemistry, maths and biology. BSc, it can lead to a career opportunity in research, technology, analysis, healthcare, environmental sciences, data sciences, education and many more. It is the gateway of higher and advanced studies, including professional courses that possess diversified fields and various applications in pure and applied sciences and interdisciplinary fields. BSc emphasizes on logical thinking, problem solving, entrepreneurship and analytical skills. One can be by the luck on many government exams like UPSC, RPSC, SSC, Bank PO, Railway and Defence Services. Entrepreneurship in biotech, edutech, IT or freelancer can be your another opportunity. So dear students, come and join our RSSM family for your academic growth and strengthen your career. We look forward to welcoming you in the campus and supporting you for your career goal and achievements. Thank you.